Okay, so continuing with the knocking on cylinder right here, which is first, second, third, fourth. I'll get that later actually to see which cylinder that is. But what I did, also removed oil pan. So oil pan was removed, and the plate, the tube, changing the o-ring as well. My issue here is this was full of sludge, and I did use engine flush fluid prior to this, and I did use sea foam, I did use mystery oil, hoping it would clean and the knocking would go away. The cover was full of sludge, valve cover, and I decided to check down here, check the oil pump, since my oil pressure gauge is a little low. And yeah, when I took the oil pan down, this was full of sludge. I'd been washing and trying to flush, take as much off as possible. To take the oil pan, you're gonna have to take all the bolts off, and also loosen these two bolts here, and I had to put a jack to support the differential, and a pry bar to pull this down after you remove this bolt right here. This part, metal part bracket, is welded to the frame, so just take that bolt out, and this whole thing will drop down about 2 inches, so you can pull the oil pan gasket, oil pan out. Also, I had to remove 2 bolts holding the starter right behind this cardboard box, and there's a plastic shield or whatever it is in place, and it's that much easier to take the pan out if you just remove the bolts and move the plastic to the side, or move it up. You don't have to pull the starter out, and that's about it. So this will drop down just about 2 inches or so to clear from here, and you can pull it that way and just work your way out. I am in the process of cleaning this up, changing the gaskets, and put everything back together. Then I'll go on top and do the tube bed. Right here is my problem. Look at that. So that goes like tick, 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 tick. And all these are pretty much same. So on the second, third, change the push rod to a new push rod.